How to make Facebook profile private on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. Once you're on the main feed, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the menu page, tap on your profile name at the very top to navigate to your profile page. On your profile page, tap the three-dot menu icon located next to the Edit Profile button. This will open the Profile Settings menu. From the list of options, tap on Lock Profile. This screen explains how locking your profile works, making your photos and posts more private in one step. To proceed, tap the blue Lock Your Profile button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear informing you that you have successfully locked your profile. Tap on OK to dismiss it. You will be returned to your profile, which now indicates that it is locked. Following these steps, you can easily make your Facebook profile private on an iPhone.